Hello friends, welcome to Parthimes. Today I'm going to show you how to use absolute references within Excel sheet. So while dragging and putting your values in another cell or making equal to with a reference to the cell will be controlled. So here if you can see I have just added the value, the grand total. So I'm working on the project where I have the roll number, student name, the list of marks within some of the subjects, and the total marks which student got. I need to compare this total marks with the individual subject and passing marks as well, and I want to put the grand total what coming over here. So in earlier video, you might have seen how to sum some or the auto sum and these values. Now what I'm going to do with this sum value, I'm going to refer this values like this I2. So if I want to make it is equal to this value and hit enter, it will give or return me the same value. But in case I want to you know uh, use same value within this, while dragging, if you can see here, it is increasing the value for the next cell on the function. Similar way, if I can say, well, for the next value it's going for I4. So to avoid such situation, because the grand total value will be same throughout this cell, what do, I'll use the F4 button. So if I use F4, it will give me a value for this, like this. I'll click it and I'll say F4. So if I can see the $I dollar 2 is going to be constant throughout this cell. If I hit enter, if you can see, after dragging and dropping this cell reference will be remain same as it is. So throughout the cell references, if you can see for the next cell as well, you can get it. Similar way, if I drag it on the right hand side, this cell will remain same. But in case if you use if you want to use this on only for horizontal way like this. So horizontal, if you want to control this, so you have to just only use a single dollar sign before the value of the sale or the reference sale. And then if I can drag it out like this, if you can see, it is just taking a references for this. So to control these absolute references, what you need to do, you have to use F4 button. I'll just remove this unwanted cells. I'll say delete for this. And what you need to do, I'll just remove it again, and let's see how exactly it can work with a manual way. So what you need to do, you have to put is equal to sign, pick up the reference cell, and put dollar just before the cell column name and cell number. So these values will remain same as it is throughout the set references. So this is what the absolute references which will be used in Excel. So thanks for watching this video. I'll be taking off uh, more videos within Excel for this project. Just so do subscribe and view this channel. Thank you very much.